Dear students, today I am going to discuss with you about one of the most important chapter of the medieval India, that is Delhi Sultanate. Let's start. Means only the chronology of Delhi Sultanate I am going to discuss with you, because it is one of the small video. So I think you will watch it. So first we will discuss what is Delhi Sultanate. Delhi Sultanate क्या है और कौन सा टाइम से कौन सा टाइम तक यहाँ पे था, and which dynasties were ruling in Delhi during the time we will discuss. So Delhi Sultanate were the Persian-speaking dynasties of Turkey and Afghan origin. They were controlling India from 1210 to 1526. See, they were the Persian-speaking dynasties of Turkey. Turkey का Persian-speaking dynasty है, and but they were the origin of means Afghan origin, and which were controlling India 1210 to 1526. And there are so many important dynasties ruled from Delhi. So that is the name of the dynasties here is given. First one is the Slave dynasty from 1206 to 1290. Then number 2, Khilji dynasty 1290 to 1320. Tughlaq dynasty 1320 to 1413. Said dynasty 1414 to 1451. At last Lodi dynasty means 1451 to 1526. So now we will discuss one by one. First one is that Slave dynasty. So the dynasty was founded by Muhammad Ghori, and that area means which area he captured: Lahore, Rajasthan, and Punjab. That was the means that much area only captured by Muhammad Ghori, and the rulers, because 1210 to 1320 means there are so it was one of the long period, so there are so many rulers ruled the Slave dynasty. First ruler of Slave dynasty was Qutbuddin Aibak. Number 2, his successor was Aram Shah, and then number 3rd ruler of the Slave dynasty he was Iltutmish, and Iltutmish he was the Subedar, and also he was the son-in-law of Aram Shah. So last one is Rajia Sultan. Rajia Sultan means she was the son of Iltutmish and also the first woman sultan of the Slave dynasty. Number 2 means the second slide, Khilji dynasty. After the Slave dynasty, Khilji dynasty was also they ruled all over the Delhi means India. And the term Khilji means it was one of the designation, and its meaning in Turkish language, that is the swordsman. Uska meaning एक ठो है, that is the swordsman, and after that Khilji dynasty was continuing. So under the Khilji dynasty there are so powerful two important rulers is here. Jalaluddin Khilji 1290 to 1296, he was the founder of Khilji dynasty. Then Alauddin Khilji 1296 to 1316, means he was the nephew and also son-in-law of Jalaluddin Khilji. So they were they were two important powerful ruler of Khilji dynasty. Next one is that Tughlaq dynasty. Ghiyasuddin Tughlaq 1320 to 1325, and means Tughlaq dynasty में भी three important powerful ruler were there. Muhammad bin Tughlaq 1325 to 1351, Firoz Shah Tughlaq 1351 to 1388. So that is the Tughlaq dynasty. Then Sayyid dynasty 1414 to 1451. That 40 years, one of the most important dynasties ruled in India. Khizar Khan, he was a Sayyid dynasty, and so his dynasty was called Sayyid dynasty. उनके नाम के हिसाब में ये Sayyid dynasty बोला जाता था. Then last one is that Lodi dynasty 1451 to 1526. Bahalal Lodi established the Lodi dynasty, and Ibrahim Lodi was the last ruler of Lodi dynasty. So it was the means the chronology of dynasty means the Delhi Sultanate from 1210 to 1526. So what was the reason of the destroy means the downfall of the Delhi Sultanate? क्या कारण था जो Delhi Sultanate इतने साल के बाद near about 1200 means 200 more than 200 years they ruled us. But after that, after 1526 means after the battle of Panipat, when Babur came to India and also means Mughal Emperor came to India, And after the Battle of Panipat 1526, then Ibrahim Lodi, he was defeated by Babur. Then the Lodi dynasty, means the Delhi Sultanate, down, means the decline. So reason was that inherent weakness, absence of strong rules, unenlightened policy of the government, absence of popular support, and invention of TAM. So these points is most important point for the downfall of Delhi Sultanate. So students, I hope you will watch it, and I think it will more benefit for you about the chronology of Delhi Sultanate. So thank you so much.